On this E-class, only one headlamp is functioning correctly. The right-hand xenon bulb is not working. However, a complete failure of the xenon lamp is not the only indication that it is defective. The bulb can also flatter or change color. The defective xenon bulb becomes slightly brown. In all three cases, the bulb should be checked and exchanged. Because xenon lamps are gas discharge lamps, defective bulbs are not indicated by burnt-through filament. This is why you have to make a careful check with Star Diagnosis to find the reason for the xenon bulb failure. Connect the diagnosis system and switch on the ignition. Now carry out a short test with Star Diagnosis. The short test shows the current failure. Now do the necessary inspection. Click on F. Confirm with F3. Now click on Trouble Code. The inspection shows that the right-hand xenon bulb is defective. It has to be exchanged. However, before you remove the bulb, check whether the operation hours of the other bulb have been reached. If 120,000 operation minutes have been reached, then the bulb should be exchanged due to warranty and goodwill. The operation hours can be read out using Star Diagnosis. To do this, leave the menu of the right-hand headlamp and click on Xenon Headlamps left. Now go to Actual Value. The page appears on which you can see how many operation hours the functioning bulb has completed. In our example, the actual value is 5,830 minutes and so is clearly below the limit of 120,000 minutes, and it does not have to be exchanged. We shall now return to the defective bulb and remove it. Ignition and the complete lighting should be switched off before work begins on xenon headlamps. Please also note the prescribed safety precautions because there is a danger due to high voltage. To remove the xenon bulb, you have to turn the covering of the lamp to the left and remove it. Then disconnect the electric plug connection on the igniter. Then turn the xenon headlamp to the left and carefully remove it. You should work with gloves on. The new bulb could become smeared if held in the hand, and this could later lead to functional problems. Fit the new xenon bulb. Turn it half a turn to the right in the socket and make sure that the cover is correctly in place. Now switch on the ignition and the lighting and check whether both headlamps are on and produce the same light intensity. When the xenon bulb has been replaced by a new and unused bulb, its operation hours counter has to be reset so that operation hours begin again at 0. Return to the right-hand side headlamp in the Star Diagnosis. Click on Startup. The menu item F3 stands for the reset. Click field F3 and carry out the reset. The counter now begins at 0 for the right-hand bulb. You can find further information on this repair in the tips document.